We got the Dubai cookies. So I'm gonna pair it with my matcha. It's here. Let's try. It tastes good. Yung outer kokwa niya, mapait. Yung loob pala yung crunchy. Yung feeling mismo. Lasa siyang pistachio. Masarap. Would I buy it again? Maybe. Sa ibang store naman. But this one is good. So, pero hindi naman siya yung parang sobrang sarap. Sakto lang. Tastes good. But it's too expensive for its price. I say overhyped. Walang kakaiba sa lasa. Kakaiba yung texture. Yun lang. This is strawberry matcha, by the way, by Copycat. Bye.